I had purchased 2 rental properties as part of an investment plan, and that plan went south so fast because the properties needed major repairs. The roofs started leaking, the boiler didn't work, the renters needed things fixed, and I didn't have the money to fix it, and that's where Ryan came to the rescue and helped me get out of the situation. It was fantastic. I really considered keeping these rentals and making the project work, but it was so far outside of my scope that I really just needed to get rid of them. And Ryan was there to help when nobody else could. And Grayscale Capital had the money and had the contacts, had everything needed to just make the deal seamless and painless. I chose to use Grayscale instead of another company because of Ryan's responsiveness, the immediacy of the funds, the timeliness, and we sat down and after a quick meeting, hammered out a deal, and it was just very easy to use Grayscale. You know, I was losing a lot of sleep over these rental properties, and although I took a loss on the sale, I was able to immediately invest those funds into another investment and have actually made profit now. So I feel very relieved that I went this route, and it was wonderful working with Ryan, and I would recommend that anybody else do the same. He's very knowledgeable, his fee schedule is cheaper than anybody else I've seen, and he gets it done, and gets it done quick. I would definitely recommend Grayscale Capital to other people simply because the knowledge that Ryan has, the ability to get things done, get it done quickly, no fuss, no muss. He knows his numbers, he knows his industry, he knows his craft, and he's able to produce results where other people may take a long time and drag their feet. He just gets it done. What really stood out about Grayscale to me compared to other companies was the personal attention given by Ryan and his team, from the document signing to just being able to meet in person and via text. The responses were always same day, within the hour, and very professional, courteous, and everything that was said was honored in the contracts without a problem. So that really stands out, the professionalism and the personal touch.